provided by Thomas Allgaier and Frennis, based on the most relevant LinkedIn posts about account-based marketing in calendar weeks 30 and 31. Frennis is a B2B market research company working with enterprises to optimize their campaigns with account and executive insights far beyond AI.
Right, and we are directing this conversation squarely at you, the strategic B2B marketer. Today's deep dive is laser focused on the top ABM trends buzzing across LinkedIn right now.
Yeah, no fluff today, just actionable intelligence.
Exactly. I mean, we've got a lot of ground to cover.
We do, and our mission today is basically clustering these insights into 4 core themes. So we'll look at where ABM is breaking down, where AI is stepping in to fix it, and where human creativity is still the ultimate differentiator.
I love that. So before we get into the shiny new AI tools, we really have to look at why so many heavily funded ABM programs are failing.
Right. It's a huge issue right now.
It is. And the consensus from the practitioner insights is pre-clear tooling is moving way faster than organizational readiness.
Okay, so you mean B2B companies are buying complex platforms before they even know what their strategy is?
Basically, yeah. Sarah McNamara points this out perfectly. She sees teams investing 6 figures into these massive platforms only to realize that, tools are not a strategy.
Right. A tool just scales whatever process you already have.
Exactly. If the process is broken, you're just scaling chaos. She actually advises running manual tactics first, just to iron out the process before you buy the software.
That makes total sense. Evan Goldberg expands on this too. He notes that just naming a list of target accounts and handing to marketing, that is not ABM.
No, not at all.
Real ABM functions as a company-wide go-to-market operating model. It's not just a siloed marketing campaign.
Kitron Marquardt echoes this perfectly. She distinguishes between what she calls fake ABM and real ABM.
Okay, wait. What is fake ABM?
So fake ABM is when you have lots of marketing activity, clicks, opens, engagement, but no actual account transformation.
So vanity metrics.
Basically. Whereas real ABM is when the whole business actually owns the account growth. It's not just marketing operating in a vacuum.
It's almost like buying a Formula One car before you even know how to drive a stick shift.
That is a great way to put it.
Is this why Silvio Perez's 2026 playbook insists on aligning with sales, support, and leadership before picking a single intent signal?
Exactly. I mean, if sales isn't involved from day one, it's just targeted awareness. It's not ABM. You have to build that alignment first.
So, assuming you've done the hard work, right? The strategy is set. Once that foundation is laid, how do you scale it?
Well, that's where the production ceiling is currently being shattered by AI agents.
Right.
We're moving past basic automation and getting into autonomous agents.
Right, because AI is collapsing costs that used to make one-to-one ABM viable only for those massive enterprise deals.
Exactly. The capability shift is just wild.
It really is. Ivan Falco demonstrated this beautifully. He built 1.1 LinkedIn campaigns live using Claude Code.
Oh, I saw that. It was crazy.
Right. The AI-generated personalized landing pages, the creative, the ad sets for over 200 accounts in a single run.
And he didn't even open Campaign Manager, did he?
Nope. Never opened it. All from the terminal.
That's insane. And, it's happening in research, too.
Really? How so?
Well, Caroline A. built a web app using 3 sequenced AI agents. So she's got a signal hunter, a stakeholder mapper, and a narrative builder.
Wait, 3 different agents working together?
Yeah, and they automate roughly 70% of campaign brief research. The signal hunter finds the trigger, the mapper finds the buying committee, and the builder writes the brief.
That is just wild. And the wildest part, Tiffany Fennell-Texador proved you don't even need to be an engineer to build these agentic workflows.
Oh, really? No coding required?
None. She is a non-technical marketer. She's connecting signals in research right now using no-code visual builders.
That democratizes the whole thing.
It really does. Oh, and by the way, if you're finding these practitioner insights useful, make sure you subscribe so you catch all our future deep dives.
Definitely subscribe. But here is the ironic bottleneck with all this AI speed. Avishek C. pointed this out.
What's the bottleneck?
Well, AI has compressed execution from months to weeks, right? Or even minutes. But organizational approval processes haven't sped up at all.
Oh, wow. I can totally see that.
Right. The whole transformation gets stuck waiting for a PowerPoint deck to be approved by leadership.
So we have 2026 technology trapped inside 2014 corporate bureaucracy.
Exactly. It's an institutional courage problem, not a tech problem.
That is fascinating. But, scaling execution with AI is totally useless if you're targeting the wrong account.
Oh, 100%. The intelligence feeding these campaigns has to evolve from static lists to living data.
Because right now we are drowning in intent signals, but they're failing because they lack context.
Debashishji explains this really well. He says that intent signals only show symptoms.
Symptoms, like a surge in FinOps research.
Exactly. That's a symptom. But it doesn't show the condition. The condition might be margin issues or boardroom mandates to cut costs.
So if you just treat the symptom with a generic pitch, you lose.
Right. You need practitioner judgment to translate those raw signals into reality.
And that leads right into the systems we use. Ajit Vijayavirgya makes a brilliant point about CRMs.
Oh, about how they handle buying groups.
Yeah. Like a Salesforce label that says decision maker, it's static. It decays the second you save it.
It really does. People change jobs or they lose influence.
Exactly. But a buying group is a living picture of who is fading and who just appeared. CRMs just weren't built to map living buying groups.
Which is exactly why Trinity Nguyen's analysis of UserGem's AI account scoring is so striking.
What did they find?
Well, first, they found that A-tier accounts opened 41 times more opportunities than D-tier accounts.
Okay, huge gap.
Huge gap. But in their test, a passive AI scoring model actually beat their actively targeted manual list.
Wait, really? Passive algorithm beat human reps picking accounts.
It did. It generated more pipeline because humans just can't track that many dynamic data points in real time.
So if the CRM can't handle this dynamic data, where does it live?
That's the big question.
Well, Scott King argues this is why customer data platforms, or CDPs, are becoming the new mission-critical context layer for ABM.
Right, rather than just being optional infrastructure for the IT team.
Exactly. You need an event-driven engine to handle real-time behavioral streams.
But, if every competitor now has access to the exact same AI agents,
Right,
and they all have the same intent data and CDPs, how do you actually stand out?
that is the million-dollar question.
The answer is shifting back to the physical and the profoundly human. As AI makes personalized digital content abundant, authentic human communication is emerging as the true competitive advantage.
I mean, Eve Chen warns about this. She says buyers are now comparing your message against dozens of remarkably similar AI-assisted messages.
It's just a sea of perfect, boring emails.
Exactly. Richard F. Purcell proved how to break through this, though.
Oh, the cookie campaign. I love this one.
So good. After getting 0 replies from emails to 30 CFOs, his team completely pivoted.
What did they do?
They hand-delivered custom Ruby Snaps cookies to 11 accounts in Salt Lake City.
And it works.
It yielded a 36% conversion rate.
From 0 to 36%, just by showing up physically.
Yep, because it's a costly signal. And AI can't hand-deliver baked goods.
Ellie Jameson Lanning did something similar, actually.
Oh, with pedal kits?
Yeah. She replaced commodity swag with custom paddle kits for Avon to start conversations with high-value technical leaders.
Which is brilliant because engineers hate standard marketing fluff.
Exactly. But it doesn't even have to be expensive physical gifts. Mason Cosby highlighted an approach using 30 to 40-second rip-recorded videos.
Just embedded on landing pages.
Yeah. 0 design cycles, imperfect lighting, but highly personal. It just proves a real human is paying attention.
So AI can build the megaphone, but a human still has to write the song.
That is a perfect way to summarize it.
Declan Mulkeen proved this by using a pint of Guinness as a visual metaphor for ABM.
A pint of Guinness.
Yeah. He said the one-to-one ABM is the cream at the top, and the stout underneath is your broader demand gen supporting it.
Oh, I like that.
He republished the exact same image 3 months later, and it drove massive engagement and sales calls.
Because a striking visual metaphor is something an LLM just can't authentically invent. It requires cultural context.
Exactly. Real lived experience.
Well, this has been an incredible deep dive.
It really has. If you enjoyed this episode, new episodes drop every 2 weeks. Also check out our other editions on field marketing, channel and partner marketing, AI and B2B, MarTech, go-to-market, and social selling.
And just to leave you with a final provocative thought, building on Marissa Decay's insight about the shift toward agent-based marketing.
Well, this is a great point.
If AI agents are increasingly evaluating and pre-qualifying vendors before a human buyer ever sees your brand, how do you market to an algorithm that doesn't eat cookies, play padel, or appreciate a good Guinness metaphor?
Now that is a question to keep you up at night. Thank you all for joining us, and a final reminder to subscribe. Catch you next time.